You guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this doesn't tell you that this is going to be a D&B haul, I don't know what will. So I ended up coming across a Dooney Bourke store when I went to go visit my mom, and I ended up getting a few things. And first of all, if this isn't like the biggest bag ever, like, this bag is so big. I actually just love the plastic bag that they put it in. Like, it's dope. It's so big. But anyway, to what we're really here for. So the first thing, well, this was actually the last thing that I picked up, but this is the gym bag tote. It's nylon, feels really good, and it has feet at the bottom, and I love me some feet on a bag. It's really light, and it can hold a good amount of items. If you can see right now, it's kind of plush and full because there's some items in here that we're going to look at. But, yeah, I love it. One thing I didn't really like that much is the handle. I just wish that the handle would have been nylon. Not the handles, the strap. I wish the strap would have been nylon too. Yeah, and I don't like this part on the buckle either. It's really hard to get it. Of course, it's not going to be hard now because I'm, telling you that it's hard to do. But when I first did it, it was really hard to just stretch it all the way out so I can wear it crossbody. And it still is. Like, I don't like this. I don't like the handle. But other than that, the handles are leather as well as the strap, and it just smells like rich leather. It just smells so good. I love the smell of a good leather. So let's pop this bag open and see what we have inside of it. The first thing that I got was a coin bag, a coin case, and then we have one baby, and another one. But I did also pick up a small little coin case, which I'm literally going to use it for what it's called. I know what's in here, of course, because I bought them. So it's like an unboxing of a buy. But let's start with that one. Alright. So here we have, oh, it just looks so pretty. We have the medium Hattie in black with the chocolate stitching. I don't know if it's chocolate, but it looks really chocolate to me, so that's just what I call it. I haven't seen this one online. When I looked, the only one that I can find that was black had the yellow stitching, like the duffel bag, and I didn't care for that. So when I seen this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. That didn't sound like it was any enthusiasm in there, but when I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness. But the one thing I like about it is that it is black, but it also looks kind of brown to me. So it's like, you know, it depends on how the light hits it. Like when I'm looking at it in the viewfinder right now, it looks black. But me actually looking at it, it really looks like a rich brown. It's more of this showing all over the bag, other than what you all are looking at and see. Let me see if I change the lighting, if that would make a difference visually on camera. No, it just looks black. But let's pop this open. They had a bigger one. I feel like, to me, this is a large, so I wouldn't have known what to do with the bigger one, but just throw way more stuff in there than I need. So this is like a never-ending bag. It's just huge. It is just huge. And I love the leather that's on the inside, and it's really soft. I love the green, which is the green on top is something that is normal for the Florentine leather bags from D&B. But I'm sort of new to the D&B family. I'm going to take the stuff that I have in my bag that I'm wearing now, and we're just going to toss it in there and see how much space we have left. So this is the bucket bag that I am carrying right now. This is her. And this one's half full. So let's see. And it's smaller, so I know I'm going to have way more space in there. So we're just going to throw in my wallet, my key case, a man's wallet because I picked this up and I forgot to give it to him today. My receipt wallet because I keep my receipts in a different one other than that, just because it's just organized and I just like it better that way. Then this just has all of my lipsticks, personal items, chapstick. I'm natural, so hair oils, anything that I would need throughout the day that I don't want to spill in my bag is in here. Then I can't see, so I have my contacts and my contact solution, which I usually just throw on the inside pocket here. And this is usually everything that I just carry on in my bag on a regular day. And there's just still so much space left. Oh, and my phone. But I mean, even if we add my phone in here, it's not like I'm carrying around a 1984 cordless phone. So there's plenty of space left in this bag. Oh my goodness. And it's just beautiful. I love it. But, and of course there just had to be a but. So there's another bag. And let's pop that. Let's set this one to the side and give this one the shine that we gave the first bag. And this is the Cameron Satchel. And when I saw this bag, for one, I knew I was going to buy it. This was my favorite pickup over Memorial Day weekend. I love this bag. And it's different for me because this is not a style that I usually carry. And let me move the camera back some just so we can get all of it, including the handles. Now, this is, like I was saying, this isn't a bag that I usually even gravitate towards. So when I saw it and I just liked it, I was like, oh, okay. It also has the belt to go crossbody. And let's just dump all of this paper out. Now I really, really love this bag right here. Like, this is the bag, okay? This is the bag. I love this bag. I love the handles. I love how I can just kind of like, you know, throw it on my wrist. Throw it right here. I can just keep it around my wrist. If I want to do it crossbody, I can throw the belt up there and make it a crossbody. I just love this bag. Of course, it has the same inside as that because they are both the Florentine, and the black with the chocolate stitching, which again, when I looked online, I didn't see this bag either with the chocolate stitch. I just saw the one with the yellow stitch. And then I also saw all of the ones that had the red zipper on the top. And for certain colors, I liked that. I mean, that's, you know, one of the signatures of a D&B bag. But I really like that this is black on black. Like, I really like that. So again, we're going to take all of the stuff that is in my regular bag for the day, and we're going to toss it in there and see how much space is left. And I'm doing it just this because this is literally what I carry all the time, minus the men's wallet. The men's wallet. Like I said, my lip glosses and stuff, my wallet, my receipt wallet, my keys, and my contacts, and my contact solution. Stick that. I usually put this in the side pocket. What I also am going to toss in here, because I'm going to start carrying that around, which is why I bought it, is the coin purse. So we can go ahead and actually stick that in there too, because this is where I want to put all of my change at. Just so it's a designated spot for that. And just for kicks and giggles, or laughs and giggles, or just because it was already in my bag, we're just going to throw that back in this bag and see how much space is left over. Even with all of this in there. And I mean, it's just thrown in. There's no, you know, like neatly organized. Usually my bag is not organized, so I kind of want to keep this as real as possible, because usually it might start off organized, but as soon as I go to grab one thing out, then, you know, the organization's kind of just like over. So this is how it would be on a normal day, and there's still space left in there, and I love this bag. And it has the feet at the bottom. I forgot about that. It has feet. I love feet on a bag. Just because it keeps the leather at the bottom. It's kind of like a nice little barrier, so it's not always hitting you know, something. There's a little bit of protection at the bottom. But I love it. And you know that it's made of the Florentine leather, just like the bucket bag. Now the thing is, so I bought this one first, and when I went back with my mom, I saw this one, and I was like, because this wasn't there. Let me not even skip that part of the story. This bag was not there when I bought this bag. Had I saw this bag, this probably wouldn't even be in the video, because this is the bag. But I kept this because we don't have a Dooney Bourke store here in Georgia. So I was like, let me just, you know, buy both or whatever, and I did. But as pretty as this bag is, and as much as I like it, this one just catches my eye. Like, I love this bag. So I don't know, I might sell this bag. If you're interested in purchasing this, just let me know. I will list it for a price that I'll list the price for this in the description box as well. But I like the bag. Like, if I keep the bag, I'm not going to be mad that I have the bag. But if I don't have the bag, I'm not going to be mad that I don't have the bag either. So, yeah, I think that I'm going to try to find this bag another home. So if anybody's interested, just let me know. But this was my first trip to a D&B store. I usually find their items in like a Dillard's or, you know, a Macy's or something like that, but I've never actually been to one of their stores. And I know they have a whole lot of them in Florida, which I'm actually going to Florida next month for vacation. So I'm definitely going to stop by that store again, and maybe I'll buy this bag again in a heartbeat in any color. So hopefully I will find this bag in another color, because I love this bag. So this is it for my mini haul at the Dooney Bourke store. I want to thank you guys for tuning into my video, and I hope you all have a great day or a great night, and I'll see you guys again later. All right, bye.